Welcome to the Boosted Fam, everyone. Today we have got the mall crawlers out today. Looky there at that. Mall crawlers. We are actually going to take these bad boys off-road, but first, real quick, we are going to go ahead and trim the rock sliders, and then I finally did what everybody asked for. Finally did it. Until the new ones come in, I went ahead and cut these and put the inner fenders back in for the rear. So now it is at least partially guarded just like the front. And just a really quick update. Oh, sorry. There's the master cutter. I'm gonna let him cut up on the Jeep. But actually, he let me do this cut job. So I guess we only cut each other's Jeeps. I cut yours, you cut mine.
That's weird.
Well, I think it's a lot harder to cut into your own Jeep yourself.
Oh, absolutely.
But anyways, the custom bumper I bought, they said 3 to 5 days for shipping. That was a couple weeks ago. They didn't put in the nice little description there at the bottom that it takes them 3 to 4 weeks to make the bumper. So, hey, there you go, Julian. That's why I don't have my bumper.
Yeah.
And just to be safe today, because everyone gets me for this too, the stock the 40-inch tire on the stock mount, which has the rough country adapter to push it up. But I'm going to take this off today. I'm just going to throw it in the back of the Jeep, so I do still have it, but just for when it's off-road. And I ordered a tire carrier as well. They didn't tell me that takes 3 to 4 weeks to make, that they're not just sitting there ready to ship out, because it's the same company. I love what they're making, but it would have been nice to know that it's going to take 3 to 4 weeks to get all of these parts in. I probably would have ordered them a little bit sooner.
Look at that mall crawler.
There we go, full tank. What? We're not going out of the parking lot. Seatbelt's okay. It's all right. It's okay. But we've got a full tank. And come to realize, we've got a JK over here on 40s with 1 tons under it, so I'm not the biggest build here. Which is not surprising, being that we honestly haven't done that much, but I'm digging the setup. We got to check that guy out here in just a minute. Oh, wait, there's the daughter surprise. Vivian's here, so are you ready now?
Roll my window down. Hey, Vivian! Vivian!
And that's how you get your kids into living to go off-roading. So 3.8 liter JK over here. And these are actually the tires that I believe I'm actually gonna switch to. I believe that's the ones I'm moving over to. And he's talking about dropping a 6.2 liter LS in this sucker. And yes, don't worry, he went in and told me this is a real Jeep. Well, they're all real Jeeps. Mine's just Street Queen for right now. I guess this is the Mud King. But he's got 1 ton axles front and rear. Takes it to Windrock all the time. And right here, he actually loves his cars because this is specifically from one Boulder at Windrock. And he really wants to put on his brand new one that's nice and pretty, but they're going back to Windrock. He's like, nope, I'll just mess it up. But this is basically the setup that we will be shooting for on the JL. It's just a matter of, we just bought it, so you gotta give us at least a little bit of time. Oh man, dang good looking Jeep. Got us another JK. Actually, shoot, they're all JKs. I'm the Lonely Wolf. Well, he made it to the top and still touching. Sad part is, with my little spacer lift, I really doubt this is gonna happen for the JL. I think the JL is gonna get showed up right here. Here we go, the big boys flexing finally. 49 inches of travel on this one. He's close. Yeah, that's definitely a lot more than I have, for, probably for the next year.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Well, ladies and gents, we see who the winner is. One excessively bumpy ride, but we are finally hitting some snow, finally making it far enough up. Mall crawlers are parked. We're on our way to go see the trail rig once again. Here's the rock staircase, which Joy and I have both made it up, but he's gonna make it look a whole lot easier than we usually do. And I've not done it in the JL, I did it in our JK pretty easily. That really hurt my feelings.
Dude, he made that.
Dude, that hurt my feelings so bad. How long do we usually sit there? At least 3 or 4 minutes trying to get up. Jeez. But I will say, it's really nice to see his tires flex over it though, where he's got actual bead locks. He's running low pressure.
Oh yeah, I think he's running like 8 PSI right now.
Yep. Guys, I can be honest, I really want some bead locks, but I have truly never actually had bead locks on one of the Jeeps to be able to run that low pressure. Time for the car wash. There we go. We got her cleaned off.
Montana, you gotta do it again.
I mean, I'll do it again. I'll give him my GoPro.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey. Alrighty guys, I know the trail did not actually seem that rough on the recording, but like the rock staircase and where the bright green Rubicon was flexing out is actually really steep and a whole lot more challenging than what the GoPro really shows. But anyways, that was our first attempt to break in the 40s. Nothing happened wrong. Actually, there is a little bit of damage on the JL, but it's something I'm just gonna cut out. It's gonna be gone. We'll jump into that stuff later on. But the 40s didn't snap like everyone said they would. They said they'd snap, and granted, I didn't do that staircase. That would have been the limitations of possibly snapping one of those axles. Anyways, this upcoming week, I just want you all to know we are working on the F100, we're working on the JL, and we're working on the 1972. Oh, and the four-wheel drive conversion on the 97. Yes, we still have the 97 power choke. We still have it. It's still part of the channel. More telemarkers. Don't y'all just love the telemarketers? But anyways, we are literally working on every single vehicle on the channel this week. So please stop by for the very next video. It's probably gonna be the best video, or at least the most detailed video we've had in a long time to really show where this channel is going and the direction we're going in. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Stopping by for the first time, please subscribe. Y'all have a great day.